Welcome to Ecom Ranks. In this video, I will guide you on how you are able to customize your Shopify website using the latest Debutify free theme. So one of the best free theme in the market is Debutify. So I would like to explain you the step-by-step guide on how you are able to customize this theme and make your website professional. Okay, so let's get started. So the first step is for you to add your products. Okay, so I have already added my products. It's a simple step. You need to click on the add products, or you can use, if you are drop shipping, you can use the Uberlu app or any other apps to import to add your products to the Shopify platform. Okay, then you need to create your collections. Okay, I have already created its collections. Okay, so the collections and the products are already added. Okay, so as you know that the collections contains some of the products, like this bag hardware can contain some of the hardwares of bags products. Okay, similar to this fabric and vinyl collection can contain the fabric of the bags products. Okay, so this is the quite simple things, and it's just like to the data entry or product listing. You can do it on your own. Okay, after completing this task, you have to create your menus. Okay, so the first menu you would like to create should be the main menu. Okay, so for the main menu I have added the home page link and the shop link. Okay, to add it, I have added all products link to the shop item. Okay, so you can simply drag and drop and move the items over here. Okay, under the shop button I have added some of my collections like bag hardware, tools and notions, interfacing and stabilizers. Okay, and here are the links of about us, contact us pages, and in more section I have added the blog, shipping policy, returns and refund policy. Okay, so it's the overview of my main menu, and in the footer section I would like to add two menus. One is the customer support, and it have the menu items, search, about us and contact us, and the quick links, it would have the all the shipping policies, all the policies. Okay, right, so let's get to the theme section. Click on the themes and then click on the customize button. Okay, after clicking on the customize button, it will open this section. Okay, so let me complete the overview of this in quickly in 30 seconds. Okay, from here you are able to view the mobile version, and from here you are able to see the desktop version. Okay, so this is the header section, and this is the announcement section, and this is the guarantee section, and this is the section for the follow us on social media, and this is the footer section. Okay, so all of the other sections like slider, images, featured products are missing here. We will add it later. Okay, so now let's customize our first section, that is the header section. Okay, simply from here we will select the header section, and then we will scroll down and then click on the menu. Okay, so at header I will definitely assign my main menu, so I have added my main menu. Okay, so it's asking for the logo. I will select my logo and attach it here. Okay, I have added logo images on all of this requested section. Okay, so here it's asking for the size. I will simply increase its size to maximum so that it will look cool on mobile as well as on desktop version. Okay, so now it's great. Okay, so let's edit the announcement section, this message. If you want to edit this section like free shipping for worldwide or free shipping for orders over $50 or anything, you don't offer free returns, simply remove this or you can edit it according to your requirements. And if we scroll down, we will see this follow us section, and you can simply remove it. Okay, or here is the get in touch with us section. You can simply remove it or edit it according to your requirements. Okay, so this high voltage sign shows that these are the paid uh, add-ons of the Debutify theme. We won't like to use it. It's not necessary, so simply forget this uh, paid high voltage signs. Okay, so if you have a budget, you can go for it, like upsell, pop-up, cart upsells. This will show some suggestions products while your customers are doing the checkout. And okay, so for now I will simply ignoring these sections. Okay, so we have customized the announcement section. We have done with customizing the header section. Okay, so after this, here comes the guarantee section. Okay, here it's the section link. Okay, simply click on the our guarantee. You will see this section all over here. I have already customized these 3 sections, so one is left, so I will do it. Simply click on the view all available icons. After clicking on it, it will open this page. Okay, simply click on secure. Okay, so it's open it. I will select this HTTPS, and then you need to scroll down and copy this alphabets, exact same alphabets, and copy it, and then you need to replace the icons over here. Okay, so it's get displayed over here. Okay, for now, for the our guarantee text and the share your guarantee with your customers, you can add it according to your requirements. I will simply add this text. And remove this subtext. Okay, so now it looks great and trustworthy for your customers. Okay, so now here comes the follow us on social media. Okay, for this you have to click on the theme settings, and then you have to click on the social media. Okay, and scroll down here. Okay, so now it's asking for the link of your Facebook page. Simply you can add the link later. Okay, so just check it over here that it start appearing here. Okay, same do this for the Instagram. Okay, after adding these links, the other section comes, that is the footer section. Okay, so here is the link for the footer section. Okay, in the about us section, I would like to make its column width to 1. Okay, and then I would like to add some of the text over here. Okay, I have already written down the text, so simply I will copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, after doing it, click on the save button. Okay, the one thing missing in the footer section is that I have to add another menu, add content, and then click on the menu. Okay, from here let's add the customer support menu. I have already created it and told you in the first section of the video. You can watch it. Okay, so I will change its position to the top. Okay, so now it's look quite professional. Okay, for the subscribes to our newsletter, a short sentence describing what someone will receive by subscribing. Okay, so for this, let's remove this part and add this part. I have already written it down and add it over here. Okay, so now it's looking great. Okay, so the powered by Shopify theme by Debutify, now we need to remove it as it's not good for our trust. Okay, so I have removed these sections. Okay, now it's looking great. Okay, now hit the save button. Okay, so now let's check how we can add the sliders, images and the products of our Shopify store. It's quite simple, just follow me to and through end of the video. Okay, simply click on the add section, and now the first section that I would like to add is the slideshow. Scroll down and here is an option for the slideshow. Select it over here and then click on the add slide. Okay, once it added, select the image that you would like to add it, and similarly select the image for the mobile. Okay, so let's check it's looking fine on the mobile. No, it's not looking good, so go back, move down and then select the small option from the section height. Okay, so now it's looking perfect. Okay, so you have to select the section height on mobile should be small. Okay, and the rotation speed should be the 5 second and auto rotates the slides. I will add another image. Let's upload the images. I have already downloaded some of those and I will add it over here. Okay, so for your brand, if you want to add your images or get high quality images related to your uh, brand niche or your products niche, you can use 2 to 3 websites that provide copyright free images. The first one is called unsplash.com, and another one is called pexels.com, and the third one is called pixabay.com. Okay, all of these resources are best for providing high resolution images. So simply click on the bag or simply write your own keyword. You can select any orientation like landscape images for the sliders are good. I have selected it. From here you can download high quality images related to your design. These are copyright free images and they will not send any strike to your website. Okay, so these are good to use. Okay, so I have added 2 sliders. Let's move this video and add this one. Okay, so from here the 2 slider images have been added. The one thing I want to say that don't use the transparent header. Okay, for editing it you need to click on this header and then you need to scroll down and then okay, so here is not an option. You have to click on the theme settings and then you have to click on the advanced settings. There is an option for disable the transparent header. Okay, so I have simply untick it. Okay, so now it's fine. Simply go back, and now we have to edit this section, the slideshows buttons and the slideshow section. Okay, so for this uh, let's remove this text and let's remove this heading and let's remove these buttons. Okay, so I have removed everything. Okay, so now let's add it again. I would like to add the bag hardware section. Simply select the bag hardware, add the button of the shop now, and I have added the bag hardware link over here, and then I have add the heading bag hardware. Okay, so now it's looking great. For this section, let's add another collection. Fabric and vinyl. Okay, so that's good. I have added a link to the learn more button. I don't want the learn more button, so I simply delete this over here and delete this over here. Okay, so at the top I don't need the subtext. For the heading, just add the fabric and vinyl and the shop now button. Okay, so now it's looking great. One more thing that I would don't want to have it is that its color is not looking good, so I will simply remove the overlay. Okay, so now the overlay has been removed. Or if you want to keep the overlay, you can set its strength. To set its strength, you need to go back, click on the theme settings, and then you need to click on the colors and scroll down. There will be an option for image overlay opacity. Okay, so from here let's decrease it. I have decreased it down to 22% and it's looking fine. Okay, so hit the save button. Okay, let's add another section. This time I'm going to add the featured product section. So add the featured collection, and from here I will select the bag hardware section. Okay, it's added. Okay, the bag hardware section has been added, the slider section has been added. Okay, let's add another section. Now I want to add some information related to my brand, so I scroll down and add the text. Okay, I think this is the section featured content. Yeah, that's fine. I have already written down the text, so let's copy it. You can add it according to your requirements. At the headings, I will add kiwi, Wagner's craft bag making splice. Okay, you can add this text according to your brand. I have added it. Okay, so now let's move forward. You can also move these sections by drag up and drag down. Okay, so I have moved it to my required section. Okay, so now let's add one product with add to cart and buy it now button. Featured product section and select add. Now you have to click on the select product section and you can add any product according to your requirements. I have added this fold over elastic binding 2 yards 20 mm product. I have added it. Now it's asking for the product tab's position. It's asking for the show product tabs. I don't want to show product tabs. Show product collections. I don't want to show product collections. Show full detail link. Yeah, I need it. And enable image zooming. Yes, I need it. Show quantity picker. Let's tick it. Now you are able to update the quantity from here and decrease the quantity from here. Okay, so show product description. No, I don't want to show descriptions over here. Okay, so it's a quick overview of adding the product over here. Okay, to add the buy it now button, basically this add to cart button works with the cart page. When your customer clicks on this button, the product will be added to the cart. Okay, so what if your customer don't want to go to the cart page and then go to the checkout? He wants to directly go to the checkout page. So for this we need to add the buy it now button, and its name is dynamic checkout button. For this you need to click on the theme settings, and then you need to click on the advanced settings and scroll down. There will be an option to enable the dynamic checkout buttons. Okay, from here you are able to enable the dynamic checkout buttons. I have enabled it. Okay, so now it start appearing over here. Okay, it's looking great. When your customers click on this button, buy it now, it will navigate towards the checkout and the customers won't go to the add to cart page. Okay, okay, so now let's add one more section. Simply click on the add section and then scroll down. I want to add one more collection. Select your collection. I will select this time back bling. Okay, it's added. Okay, so now our website looks quite good. Hit the save button. One more thing that I would like to add is the featured image. To separate my sections, simply scroll down and then select the featured image. Let me add this image over here, and for this I would like to assign all collections over here. Okay, so scroll it up over here. Okay, so now let's check our website on the mobile version and on the desktop version. Okay, so on the mobile version, the header is good, the slider images are good. Okay, the text is good, these collections are good. Okay, it's fine. Okay, the featured image is also good. This product with add to cart and buy it now button is also perfect. This is another collection. Okay, so this is the grunty badges, the social media portion and the footer section. So now it's looking great. Okay, after customizing the home page, now we would like to customize the product pages. Simply click on the product page. From here you are able to select the product page, the collection pages and the collection list pages. Now we are here, product pages. Okay, so here is the product page. I don't want to show the tags, the catalog. For this, click on the product page, and then from here untick these options. Okay, I don't want to show this product description in a separate portion. I want to show it here. Okay, for this, simply select the under add to cart button, so it start appearing over here. Now it looks cool. Okay, hit the save button, and now we need to customize the collection pages. Okay, for the collection page, I don't want to use these filters. For this, simply click on collection pages and untick this option, and then hit the save button. Okay, for the collection list page, it's fine and won't need anything. Let's check the cart page. The cart page is also fine and won't need anything. Okay, so it's the quick tutorial of how you are able to customize your Debutify latest theme uh, using the latest strategies. Okay, so if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, you can ask it from me on Fiverr. I will drop my link. Also, you can download the Debutify theme. I will drop the link in the description section. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.